Today we're going to visit Forrest Healey with Quicktricity Electric. He's installing a 3600 RPM Onan generator. It's a 20 kW generator, and it's also noted as being the world's quietest standby generator. So let's see what Forrest is up to. What are you doing, Forrest?
Hey Brett, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
What are you doing today here?
I'm just making sure the filter's on tight here before we make our last wiring connections.
Alright, so the customer's having a 20 kW generator installed, correct?
That's correct.
What's the benefits of this generator that they're installing today?
Within 10 seconds, this generator will transfer power over to the generator itself automatically. This particular neighborhood is known for the power going out quite a bit during the course of the year. So the customer wanted to make sure that they would have power at all times.
Cool. Now this generator is being called the world's quietest generator. Why is that?
Well, this particular generator, as you can see, might look a little bit different than the other ones in that you can see the lid here is bigger than the generator itself. This lid, what it does with the exhaust is all the noise from the exhaust and the engine are bounced off of here and absorbed. And that way, that's what makes it part of why it's the world's quietest generator. The other part would be the fact that the engine is very quiet as well.
That's awesome. So this is a pretty reliable generator, and the customer can expect comfort in their home when the power's out, right?
Absolutely. This
Cool.
one has a 5-year parts and labor warranty. Doesn't get any better than that.
Cool. And do we add additional warranty to it for the work?
Well, as an option, they can have an additional extended warranty added to it, and also scheduled maintenance. That way it's performing more efficiently through its lifetime.
Cool. Now, are we going to be able to hear it start up?
Absolutely. We just have a few more wire connections and we'll get it started up for you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, here we are at a residence where we put in a 20 kW Onan generator. We're going to show you the noise level here when the cover is open, which is very similar to most generators with their cover closed. Now with the same generator running, we're going to show you how quiet it is with the cover closed. And as you can see, that's how quiet it is with me talking normally outside the residence. And inside it's a fraction of that. Pretty quiet generator.